Jai Sri Ram. Namaskar. Welcome to a part of Amrita Jeevan. Today we discuss about cough. Actually, cough is one of the body language. That means coughing is an important way to keep your throat and airways clear. However, excessive cough may mean you have an underlying disease or disorder. Cough has two types. They are dry cough and productive cough. Coughing can be either acute or chronic. Acute cough usually means sudden and go away after 3 weeks. Subacute cough lasts 3 to 8 weeks. Chronic 8 weeks. Chronic cough lasts longer than 8 weeks. Causes of cough besides recent upper airways infection, also allergies, asthma, lung infection, cigarette smoking, air polluted, some medication, etc. Home remedies for dry cough. Number 1. Eat a ripe banana with 1 teaspoon honey and 2 pinches of ground black pepper twice or thrice a day. Number 2. Boil 1 cup milk with teaspoon turmeric and teaspoon ginger and drink this at night. Number 3. Try chewing ajwan mixed with 1 teaspoon natural organic sugar for productive cough. Number 1. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper with 1 teaspoon of honey and eat it on a full stomach 2 or 3 times a day. Number 2. Drink a tea made from 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder plus a pinch of cinnamon powder in a cupful of boiled water. Number 3. Take 1 teaspoon honey mixed with a pinch of clove powder 2 or 3 times a day. For child, give a half cup pomegranate juice with a pinch of ginger powder and a pinch of pipali powder. For common, number 1. Take honey and lemon which will ease cough and encourage healing. Number 2. Place 2 to 3 cloves fried in ghee and suck. Number 3. Inhale essential oil of eucalyptus. If you have any doubt, please contact WhatsApp number 9526178418. Thank you, Jai Sri Ram.